Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. It's been quite some time since I have uploaded a video since I've been really very busy with my upcoming workshops. So today what we are going to be making here for our video is something which was asked for from a very long time, a requested video. So we are going to be making an antibacterial hand wash today. Many people wanted to know how hand washes are made so that they can make it at home and they can use it instead of buying it from out. So today we will be making a hand wash, an antibacterial hand wash, and the basic recipe for this will be shared in the description box for those who wish to go ahead and make it. If you'll want to learn the more advanced way of making these hand washes, you can definitely connect to me on the number that's given in the description box for my workshops. So we'll quickly begin with the making of this hand wash. So here I have my water. In my water I have taken some glycerin, since glycerin is very hydrating and moisturizing for the skin. Now for my blend of surfactants here, I have my SCI powder and I have taken some cocoa glucoside and decyl glucoside. This is what I have in my surfactants. These are very mild surfactants for the skin. And here in my oil phase I have my blend of waxes, my oils. I have taken the dark color that you all can see here is the neem oil that I have used. Since this is an antibacterial, as I said, hand wash, neem has very good antibacterial properties. You all can go ahead and add a lot of other ingredients that have these antibacterial properties if you all want to make a different hand wash. Here I have neem, and this is what will be giving us that antibacterial effect. And here I have taken my blend of oils, butters, waxes, and this is my oil phase. So now we'll quickly go ahead and heat up our surfactant phase and our water phase. In fact, we'll heat all the three phases and I'll go ahead with the next step. Okay, so here we have gone ahead and heated both the phases, our oil phase and our water phase. And I have just gone ahead and added a little bit of green pigment to this to give it a nice light green color. And now we'll quickly go ahead and combine both the phases. Okay, so we've gone ahead and combined both the oil phase and the water phase, and it looks like this right now. And now what we will do is we will go ahead and combine our surfactant phase into this. This is the surfactant phase which we have gone ahead and kept it on the double boiler to get heated, and it looks like this. So we will go ahead and add that into our mixture. And we will just give it a blend. Now once you add the surfactant into your mixture, please do not go ahead and blend it or mix it too hard. Otherwise there'll be a lot of froth that will come on top and it will be very difficult to go away later. So just mix it very light. So I'm just giving it a very light mix, and this has got a very light green color shade. We'd added green pigment, so it has this very light green shade here, if you all can see it. Okay, so after adding all the three phases, I just left this for all the pigments to combine with the mixture. So now you can see it has got a very nice green color, nice light green color which we wanted. So now since our solution is completely cooled down, we'll go ahead and we'll add our extracts. So for this I'm going to be adding my neem and turmeric extract. These are the two extracts that I'm going to be adding for our hand wash. This is absolutely good even if you have any type of itching, itchiness on the skin, flakiness on the skin. It really helps to treat all those problems. And when you make this at home, you exactly know what's going in your hand wash, how effective it is going to be when you use all these ingredients. So I'll just give it a mix, and then we will add our preservative. For the preservative, I'm going ahead and adding phenoxyethanol. And for our fragrance here, I will be adding an essential oil. I will be adding peppermint essential oil. Again, this is an essential oil which gives amazing antibacterial properties for your skin. So this is something I will be using. I have added that for that lovely peppermint fragrance. You can go ahead and add any fragrance or essential oils of your choice. And we'll just give it a nice mix here. Okay, so now the last and the final step that we need to do here is checking of our pH. So I'm just going to take a very small quantity of the hand wash and just add it with a little bit of water, distilled water. And this is our pH strips where we will with which we will be checking the pH. Okay. So now here we have a perfect pH for this. It's a nice yellow on the paper. So we don't need to go ahead and reduce the pH by adding citric acid solution, because this is already at a good pH level. This is it, friends. This is our neem and turmeric antibacterial hand wash, antiseptic hand wash, which we have made here today. You'll definitely go ahead, make it, use it, and you'll will see the benefits that you'll get when you'll make the products yourself. And thank you so much everyone for all your support. If you do like my channel, if you do like what I share, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends as well. Thank you so much everyone. Bye.